A very warm afternoon to all my dear children. I hope that you all are doing quite well. Well, my dear students, today in this video, that is first video, okay, and this is just an introductory video of the chapter. Let's see here, transitive and intransitive verbs. Well, before we proceed towards transitive and intransitive verb, there are few terms, okay, which I think you must know. First, that is what is sentence, then subject and predicate, object, direct object and indirect object. Maybe many of you are aware, okay, but might be that many of you are not aware. So just let's have a look now. So transitive and intransitive verbs, you all know about it in a very depth knowledge, you can say in a very depth. Concept wise, if you talk about, it will be there in the second video. Before this, we should know what is a sentence. It's very pretty, easy question that I'm asking. What is a sentence? So group of words, so it's a sentence. Then we divide sentence into two parts. You all know that. Subject and predicate. Subject could be noun or pronoun. Predicate again divided into two parts. Verb and object. Fine. Verb, I think that you know. Verb is an action word. It's the same word. Okay. Now, next we come to object. Object can also be noun and pronoun. And subject also can noun and pronoun. Okay. But subject is a doer. Okay. The subject of a sentence is a doer of any action. But an object, what is an object? Object means where verb performs certain action. Okay. Now, object, it can be noun and pronoun, and wherein verb performs certain action. Usually object comes at the end of the sentence and it is governed by a verb. Now, let's take one example. Okay, I have taken few examples just to make you understand, and I can say that it will be clear after that. It will be clear to you after these three examples. The boy kicked a ball. The boy is the subject, the doer of an action of kicking. Kicked is verb, you all know. A ball, that is an object. Now, object generally gives the answer of the question, what? So, if I ask the question, what did the boy kick? Okay, if I ask the question, what did the boy kick? The boy kicked a ball. So, the ball is the answer of what? So, it is an object. Fine. Who kicked a ball? Boy kicked a ball. So, this is subject. Let's take another example. He gave the pirates a chance. Oh my God, there are two objects. So, which object are we going to consider? Well, my dear students, just now I told that there are two types of object, indirect and direct. And if you just recall the rule that object comes at the end. So, which object comes at the end, direct or indirect? Direct object, because that object only tells the answer of the question, what? He gave the pirates a chance. Who, okay, here if you talk about who received it. So I'm talking about the pirates. Who received the chance? The pirates received a chance. Okay. So what did he give the pirates? The question I'm asking, what did he give the pirates? A chance. This is the answer of the question, what? Second, he gave his teacher an apple. Fine. Again, the same thing. What did he give his teacher? An apple. Again, the answer of the question is what? An apple. So now here, if you talk about the pirates and his teacher, it's indirect object, and chance and an apple is direct object. Why? Because this is the answer of the question what, and who received it? The pirates received a chance, and here who received an apple? His teacher received an apple. So indirect object usually followed by a verb, and at the end you will find a object that is direct object. Now, after this entire presentation, it's like you are very well aware with the few terms like sentence, object, direct object and indirect object. Now, what's the importance of these terms in this chapter? Where here are two verbs. You need to identify these two verbs, whether it is transitive or intransitive. And you can only find it out on one condition, wherein if you know what is an object in a sentence. So that's why I have dealt with this certain terms that you must know before knowing the transitive and intransitive verb. So my dear students, in the next video, you will find all the guidelines and all the rules within examples related to the chapter, that is transitive and intransitive verb. So till then, keep watching and stay safe and stay blessed.